Can OSA affect daily life?
Yes, OSA can affect the daily life. Your the stress levels can go up. You can feel very lethargic, with low energy levels, poor concentration at work. If it's a kid with OSA, his performance at school will be affected. So on a daily basis, yes, OSA can cause problems.
Can snoring be ignored?
Snoring should not be ignored. I would say yes. If it's a social problem, then definitely somebody will get the individual for giving a solution for the problem. But then snoring it's a gateway for obstructive sleep apnea. So there is no harm in getting yourself evaluated when you have snoring issues.